back to our channel. We are here to preview the review the third test match. तो अभी सीरीज पॉइज्ड है अच्छी खासी, बट थर्ड टेस्ट मैच का रिजल्ट अपने फेवर में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. तो उसकी थोड़ी बात करेंगे एंड थोड़ा प्रीव्यू भी करेंगे एंड अगर टाइम बचा. सो रोहन, फर्स्ट टॉक्स.
78 ऑल आउट के बाद मेरे को नहीं लगता है ज्यादा कुछ देख सकते हैं. और 78 ऑल आउट इन अ सेशन इज वन ऑफ दोज डेज व्हेन यू निक एवरीथिंग. तो क्या बोलते हैं, दिस बैटिंग साइड हैज डन कंसिस्टेंटली वेल अक्रॉस ऑल, क्या बोलते हैं, अक्रॉस ऑल कंडीशंस. कलेक्टिवली मिडिल ऑर्डर का इंडिविजुअल एवरेज देखा जाए तो इट्स नॉट टू गुड, बट स्टिल आई थिंक ये मैच को देख के हम पिन पॉइंट करना कि तुम दे आर नॉट डूइंग वेल या इज नॉट टू गुड, क्योंकि हमने सेकेंड इनिंग्स में देखा कि द improvement that they showed, the adjustments that they made were very good. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि they can't bat in those conditions. It's more of that you have in England especially, you have those sessions where you just nick everything and you just hope that in the next two tests England have one of those and it goes in our favor as well. So personally I don't think कि इसमें batting order या bowling order किसी को भी ज़्यादा देखना चाहिए, क्योंकि when we are 78 all out, बॉलर्स के माइंड में भी वो चलता रहेगा कि हमें अटैक करते, नॉन स्टॉप अटैक करते रहना. तो उसके चक्कर में आइदर दे गो टू फुल और दे गो टू शॉर्ट, जिसकी वजह से हमने देखा कि रूट को बैक ऑफ लेंथ बॉल्स बहुत मिल रहे थे और वो ऑफ साइड में बहुत रन्स मार रहा था, क्योंकि बॉल स्विंग नहीं हो रहा था जब इंडिया बॉल कर रहा था. तो क्या बोलते हैं, आई डोंट थिंक कि ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर improvements that can be done and some changes that we can think about, but क्या बोलते हैं, हर टाइम बार बार क्यों होता है ये, ऐसा कैसे खेल लिए ये सब. आई थिंक these are some overreactions in that.
यार I agree. I mean 78 all out, मतलब I agree कि it's an aberration. You should not dwell too much into it कि होता है करके भूल जाओ and focus on to what's coming next. But there is a point to be raised, I guess, कि अपने टीम में एक सर्किट ब्रेकर की कमी है. मतलब तूने अगर देखा होगा जब कोहली आउट होता है, इवन सेकंड इनिंग्स में देख, कोहली आउट होता है तो डोमिनोज की तरह गिरता है अपने. तो रहाणे का एक बड़ा वो मेरे को उस पे रोल लगता है कि उसको प्ले करना पड़ेगा.
मैं वही स्टैट्स देख रहा था इन द लास्ट 48 टेस्ट्स, व्हिच मींस सिंस 2016 में इंग्लैंड आया था इंडिया, वो सीरीज से लेके अभी तक रहाणे का एवरेज 40 के नीचे, तो एवरेज इज अराउंड 33 और 35 समथिंग लाइक दैट. द रीजन व्हाई ऑल ऑफ अस आर willing to give more time to Virat and Pujara is because they scored truckloads of runs in that time period. So I think I am not saying Rahane should be dropped, but personally he should take more responsibility कि I am going to pull the team out of this situation. Because if you hear his press conferences, he comes out and says, I am a team man, I perform only when the team wants. Does that mean the team does not need you, did not need you yesterday or on the first day? He came out before the second test third test press conference and said that only important people get criticized, so I'm happy to be criticized. That I don't think that's क्या बोलते हैं, even someone who's making a debutant will be criticized, right? कि अभी शॉ आया था, कितना क्रिटिसिज्म था उसको, या पंत ही ले ले, कितना क्रिटिसिज्म था उसको. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि तू वाइस कैप्टन है तो तू इम्पोर्टेंट है करके तेरे को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है. एंड गोल क्या है? You need to help the team, which I don't think he has been doing it consistently. Of course he has. Melbourne knock was crucial. Leadership in Melbourne was crucial. So there are in previous Lord's Test mein he had the partnership with Pujara. So there are instances where he has proved to be very good. But when you talk about a Virat or a Pujara, you say, oh, he's in form, so he'll carry it on, which we haven't seen too often with Rahane. So I think that is, personally he should क्या बोलते हैं, go into that next step of his career, because he's 34 now. So क्या बोलते हैं,
I think अगर अभी इस पॉइंट पे वो ड्रॉप होता है, I don't see him coming back into the team at all.
Exactly.
But see,
and I don't think
अभी अपने पास वैसा बैट्समैन भी है नंबर 5 पे. तू देख, डोमेस्टिक सर्किट तो हुआ नहीं है 2 साल से, तो यू डोंट हैव कि ऐसा रेडी बैठा हुआ बंदा है कि ये खेलेगा उसकी जगह. सो आई थिंक वी हैव नो ऑप्शन बट टू गिव हिम टाइम. लाइक आई थिंक द इंडियन टीम कैन नॉट ड्रॉप हिम लाइक दैट. वाइस कैप्टन भी है, बट या क्योंकि तू देखना इंग्लैंड जैसे कंट्री में इट्स वेरी पॉसिबल कि तुम 50 for 3 हो गए, और 50 for 3 से तुम 75 ऑल आउट नहीं हो जाना चाहिए यार. 200 तो मारो वहां से. तू यही मैच देख लेना, अगर if we would have scored even 200 runs, not even, I'm not saying 300 350, 200 भी मारा होता तो एक फाइट होता, 200 मार के वो 400
Exactly.
मारते तो we had a lead, वो फिर 80 का लीड होता, बट फिर अपन खींचते खींचते को 100 150 का एक कॉम्पिटिटिव मैच होता शायद.
Also, I don't think कि we should drop a player ऐसा such a senior player in the side in England. मतलब okay, सूर्या कुमार यादव है या और कोई भी आ
Solid
सकता
players
है.
नहीं है वो, they are all attacking
So,
players. वो एक और
Jimmy Anderson को अगर क्या बोलते हैं, if our best batsmen are struggling to face him, what guarantee is it? Guarantee नहीं है ना, मतलब तू if you're trying to develop a player, तू उसको start Indian conditions में दे. तो they have a home strength. जैसा when MS Dhoni left the captaincy, वो टाइमिंग भी परफेक्ट था ना कि अपने पास होम स्ट्रेच है, टीम बिल्ड होगा और उसके बाद वी कैन properly face the away turn. So I think if we are planning to drop someone from the side, I think it should be probably when we play New Zealand at home, or probably next year if we are going to Sri Lanka or something like that. I don't think this is the time to take such a drastic step, because I think we should ease them into this process.
So next thing is Virat Kohli. So there has been a lot of talk about consistently outside of wala cheese. So would you like to raise that point you were talking about earlier?
हाँ, मतलब सब बोल रहे हैं कि सेम ओल्ड 2014 का विराट ये वो. मेरा क्वेश्चन यही है, हाउ डू यू गेट बैटर्स आउट इन इंग्लैंड? फोर्थ स्टंप, फिफ्थ स्टंप लाइन. It's like when you come to India, you expect the ball to turn, you expect Ravi Ashwin and Ravindra Jadeja to get you wickets. Akshar Patel got 20-25 wickets in the series in 3 test matches against England. Why? Because this is what they bowl on for 20 years or more. So when they come and say inexperienced bowling attack and all this, I don't agree with all of that. Ollie Robinson, he has taken wickets at an average of 70 in county cricket. What pitches did he bowl on? Exactly these. Ball swinging, cloudy conditions. Anderson, I don't think we need to talk much about Anderson. Overton averages around 21 in the same time period. So I don't believe in this weak bowling attack and all those things. That is ridiculous in my opinion, because home conditions mein you are bowling there for 20 years. So we did not have Jadeja averages around 15 at home conditions. Akshar came and destroyed them. उनका सीधा बॉल नहीं खेल पा रहा था, तो देख वो तो प्रॉब्लम होगा ही. एंड आल्सो कमिंग बैक टू
विराट कोहली का जो आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप को वीकनेस बोल रहे हैं लोग इंग्लैंड में, एज यू पॉइंटेड आउट बिफोर द वीडियो, कौन सा तरीका है आउट होने का? इफ यू सी, मेरे पास हार्ड स्टैट्स नहीं है, बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर 80% डिसमिसल्स आर बिहाइंड द विकेट, या तो कीपर या तो स्लिप, और वो भी फास्ट बॉलर्स को. तो विराट कोहली आउट हो रहा है क्योंकि ठीक है, आई एग्री कि 2018 में मे बी वाज प्लेइंग विद सॉफ्टर हैंड्स, अभी वो डैब कर रहा है बॉल को तो कैरी हो रहा है वो स्लिप तक. 2018 में भी निक हो रहे थे, पर ऐसे एंगल बैट से नीचे बॉल ज्यादा जा रहे थे, तो मे बी दैट इज समथिंग. आई थिंक इस बार उसका एग्रेसिव अप्रोच भी है थोड़ा ज्यादा पिछले वाले टूर से. He's not.
Last time he was not searching for runs. This time he's searching for runs.
This time he wants to impose. क्योंकि एक और चीज देख, लास्ट टाइम फटाफट विकेट्स भी गिर रहे थे जब वो आया. We were 2 down for 20. वैसे सिचुएशन में आके वो खींच के लेके गया. इस बार ऐसा नहीं है. इस बार we have got good starts. He's trying to impose कि अभी मैं मारता हूँ, अभी दिखाता हूँ, ऐसा.
So also he's someone who is very competitive. तो उसके दूसरे एंड पे opposition captain is scoring 100 after 100. So उसके माइंड में वो भी रहेगा कि ये बंदा 100 पे 100 मार रहा है और मेरा नहीं आ रहा. But I think क्या बोलते हैं, he's not that sort of a player. He'll put the team first obviously, but I don't think कि 2014 का Kohli is back. We should drop him from the side.
No question.
These stock, even if he fails in the next 2, I don't think that is something that we need to be, because in all the innings he got out in the same way. I have no problem with that at this stage of his career, because in these conditions there is going to be a time when that lapse of concentration happens, especially when you are bowled out for 78 in the first inning.
One more thing, outside off stump wala cheese, I won't buy into that rhetoric till he doesn't start getting out to straight balls. If you think about it, outside off stump हर bowler वही try करते हैं डालने का, but अगर वो आउट स्विंगर के डर से अगर सीधे बॉल पे बोल्ड हो जा रहा है, जैसे वो इंग्लैंड में 2014 में हो रहा था, ही लेफ्ट अ स्ट्रेट बॉल बिकॉज उसको शायद बोला गया था कि भाई तू मत खेल आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप के, सो दैट
And an interesting fact about that was before he came on to bat, 96% of the balls that England had bowled missed the stumps. तो उसका वो आया भी ऐसा ही सोच के होगा कि ये बॉल तो बाहर ही जाएगी. And I think it was, I don't remember the bowler, some tall guy, Plunkett, I think.
Plunkett?
Vokes? I don't remember. Whatever.
But that's my point. Like अगर तू सुरेश रैना जैसा प्लेयर देख, वो बाउंसर उसका वीकनेस था, तो वो उतना वीकनेस उसके सर पे उतना चढ़ गया वो कि वो फिर सीधे बॉल्स पे एलबीडब्ल्यू हो रहा था, फुल बॉल्स पे, बिकॉज ही इज थिंकिंग कि पीछे का ही बॉल आएगा. कोहली का भी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो हर बॉल छोड़ रहा है एंड देन इन स्विंगर पे मिडल स्टंप चलेगा. ऐसा होता है, then it's actually a big problem and probably technique, mindset, whatever technical stuff. But
And England में I think you need a little bit of luck. He had that in the second innings a little bit. Anderson ने beat किया एक बार, फिर एक review हुआ, तो he had a little bit of luck, and he scored runs as well, because on day 3 when it was cloudy conditions, the ball wasn't doing too much. He got beaten once in 100 balls, which was to Joe Root. So you see the quality of batting that he's still doing even when he's short of runs. So I think outside of, I hope he does not think too much about that. It's just that
I think
mental lapse in
he's become
concentration.
too experienced for this now. वो उसको अभी I don't think he even cares. He's like हाँ ठीक है, हो रहा हूँ मैं और 2 बार भी होऊंगा, कर लो जो करना है. He's like that. So which is actually good also, because he has scored 20,000 runs with this technique. He doesn't have a flaw in technique. नहीं तो इधर पहुंचता ही नहीं था.
And I think they have to be in that frame of mind, because the noise outside, I did not see a positive comment after we lost the match. It was all Rahane, you're not scoring runs. Oh, Virat, how long? 52, 51 innings since your last 100. When will you score? And also Virat raised a very interesting point at his press conference. In English conditions, even a 250, 275 can win you the match. So, okay, the series Virat had in 2018 was probably not something you expect every time that happens. So the key here is partnership. So he said that even if 2-3 of us have 50-60 run partnerships and one of them converts a 50 into a 70 or an 80, we still get to 240, 250 if the others chip in with some runs, which ends up to be a match winning total in conditions like these with the ball moving. So I think even in his mindset, his focus is on getting partnership and not on scoring runs, which I really like, because according to his standards that he has set, he's obviously short of runs. It was first 15-8 innings and stuff like that. Yeah, biggest positive I thought was Pujara, to be very honest. We were discussing it before the match also, intent. The intent that he showed in this test match was absolutely brilliant.
I think he was on thin ice. First of all, I think he was given an ultimatum. Ki, boss, if you play like this again, we will have to look at someone else. So he came out and he showed कि बेटा batting है मेरे पास, and it was good. Pressure पे मैं था वो, and he performed वैसा था.
I think we have had this conversation so many times about Pujara that now I don't think the team management or anyone talks to him. The key factor I think this time was Anderson का जो spell था जब Pujara आया, हाँ, he was so straight to Pujara. He got 3 or 4 boundaries and he was off and running.
But you know, I was looking at some highlights before. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसके पिछले innings में उसको एक भी straight ball नहीं मिला था. उसको मिलता था and he would just defend it. That is the फर्क actually, कि वो front foot पाके is ready to flick it. Even to, if you see Moeen Ali and stuff, he was trying to score runs. He was not like मेरे को रुकना है यहाँ पे कल तक, नहीं. Short ball आया, also he went for the pull. I see.
Also bowler के mindset पे भी फर्क पड़ेगा ना. मतलब अगर बंदा अभी ओवर पिच बॉल डालेगा और ये बंदा टच करेगा, तो बॉलर सोचेगा कि हाँ ओके, आई कैन बॉल व्हाटएवर टू हिम आई वांट बिकॉज़ आई नो ही इज गोइंग टू डिफेंड. अगर ये अटैक करेगा एक बॉल, तो बॉलर के माइंड में क्वेश्चन होगा, इफ आई बॉल द सेम बॉल,
ही के बाद फर्स्ट बॉल इट वाज शॉर्ट एंड वाइड एंड ही वेंट फॉर हिज टू स्क्वायर कट, कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ, डॉट था वो, बट दैट शोड मी इंटेंट. आई वाज लाइक, मैं तभी तेरे को मैसेज किया आज तो इसका 100 है, ठीक है ना, मारा उसने, बट दैट वाज द मोमेंट फॉर मी कि हां, ही हैज कम विद अ पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट कि मेरे को आई वांट टू डोमिनेट दीस पीपल, एंड व्हिच वाज परफेक्ट. आई थिंक ही हैज अर्नड हिमसेल्फ अनदर कपल ऑफ टेस्ट मैचेस एट लीस्ट. लेट्स सी
what he averages Ashwin. Sorry?
क्या एवरेज इसका क्या?
हाँ, I was going through the numbers as to he averages around 50 almost each year in Test match cricket till 2019. We played only 4 Test matches in 2020, and Virat played only three of those. So this is basically the first year that he has had a dip in form, along with the strike rate issue. Because strike rate issue we have been talking for a while. So if he's consistently giving us runs, then we don't talk about it too much. So I think even he deserves that little bit of extra time, in my opinion.
Definitely.
So hopefully he carries on his good form. Ashwin,
Yeah, I mean, what do you think? Do you think he makes it to the 11 the next match?
I really hope he does. अश्विन फैन हूँ यार, बहुत बड़ा अश्विन फैन हूँ.
साउथ का
बट ऐसा नहीं. बट देख, ओवरसीज में ही हैज शोन दैट, क्योंकि हमने देखा था कि लास्ट टाइम रफ था और ही वाज हॉरिबल टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट ऑन दैट पिच. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ, Edgbaston, even Southampton for that matter.
Yeah, third test.
Moeen picked 6 wickets there and he couldn't pick one or two. I don't think he was fit or something like that or whatever. So it's not guaranteed sure shot wicket. So I think the team selection for these 3 test matches have been spot on. But oval is where the pitch turns and we have the flattest of pitches. And Ashwin has bowled a lot in Chennai. So I think क्या बोलते हैं, I'm not saying the pitches will be similar or anything, but we have to get him into the 11 instead of, in my opinion, Ishant Sharma, because
I think
he was the one.
Ishant तो definitely needs a rest. He was looking like he's ऐसा चल के आ रहा है bowling में, थका हुआ लग रहा था वो.
His action looked sort of weird. He was bowling no ball after no ball.
First over only gave with like 8 runs or something.
Yeah.
Match खत्म हो गया.
Bowled a 10 ball over. Yeah.
So this guy, even Siraj looked tired to me this match. So maybe get in Umesh Yadav, give him a go, fresh legs, thoda pace or third bowler mein, and Ashwin in place of Ishant, because even
Siraj
has been good actually if you think about
it. In test matches Umesh has been really good actually, but overseas we haven't tried him too much. He played at Melbourne I think and got injured in the second innings or something like that. So I would still go with Siraj, Shami and Bumrah because this is a very good chance to win the series.
We have also Siraj. I know he picked I think 5 wickets in the second test or something.
8 wickets in the combined 8 wickets in the second test match, 4 and 4.
But in this match he didn't look like even threatening at all. So मेरे को लगता है कि
I still think
tired भी है वो, stuff like that. So maybe give Umesh a go.
I still think that is down to being bowled out for 78. Matlab, the bowler is coming out, and also he's someone who is he's like a Virat Kohli of 2011. Very volatile. He'll react to everything that's going on. England crowd said something to him and he was reacting. And that did not everyone is Virat. Virat at that time, he was still scoring runs at the same time giving it back to them. Not everyone can manage to do that. So, and also we bowled on Friday or Thursday night we bowled. We batted the entire day on Friday and we got bowled out on Saturday, which means the next test starts on Thursday I think. So almost 6 days rest. So I hope that Siraj, Shami and Bumrah recover well. And playing Ashwin also means that we can give them a breather. Yeah, exactly. And use them in short spells with Ashwin and Jadeja to, hold one end or try to bowl from both ends to give them the breaks. So I think that will also help if we are going with Ashwin. So I am pro Ashwin, 100%.
Yeah, me too. So I think overall this match, I think we should just forget as an aberration and hope we do what we did in Australia after 36 all out. Mm-hmm. I think this team, वो एक हर्षा भोगले raised this in Crickbuzz actually कि Olympic win का afterglow जैसा होता है कि once you win a gold at Olympics, after that you don't perform well in the next championships because you think you have achieved everything. So I think that happened with us after the Australia tour, the first match versus England in India. We didn't show up almost.
Yeah,
Even
exactly.
in this match, we were like खेल ही नहीं रहे अपन. First innings में तो इतना खराब था, bowling भी खराब था, batting भी खराब था. So I think थोड़ा वो recalibration चाहिए शायद. But yeah, I think we'll be competitive at least in the next match and probably win it. I really think we can win it even after.
Yeah, absolutely. We have the talent, we have the skills. It's just about that mental lapse of concentration, like that outside of that we were talking about and stuff like that.
Correct. Also, wish you a very happy birthday, bro.
Thanks.